Within this video, we will be looking at the project document browser and model tree functionality within Vertex BD. These are found to the left of the workspace and have tabs to swap between them. We will begin with the project document browser. At the top of the tree, the project name is displayed, and there are various branches for different document types. By clicking the project name, you will get access to project management options, such as reverting to previous revisions of the project. Settings will give access to the project parameters, 3D levels, and other options. It is possible to access any generated drawing sheet, panel drawing, or report associated to the project. This can be done by visiting the appropriate branch, using the plus symbols, and then clicking the file you wish to open. Alternatively, you can use the right-click contextual menu to update the drawings amongst other commands. The model tree will show all objects in any active model or drawing, and content will vary depending on if the 2D or 3D is active. There is a drop-down menu at the top which allows you to select different filters. When something is selected, it will have a blue background, whereas if the object is hidden, it will be grayed out. Similarly, an object that isn't currently visible, perhaps because it is a different model or modeling pair from the active working window, will have blue text. In the model tree, the project is broken down by story, and you can select the various element types in sub-branches within the main story branch. I can click on the sub-branch or main story branch to select it, and choose Hide or Hide Others from the right-click menu to hide that flaw, whilst Restore brings them back. This can make working in 3D much easier. This concludes our video on the model tree and project document browser within Vertex BD. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for our next video on contextual features.